are the effects of eating sweet potatoes daily? Sweet potatoes are tasty, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Their earthy sweetness complements savory spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. They are frequently used as a healthier alternative to white potatoes. There are over 400 types of sweet potatoes, all rich in vitamin A. They also provide vitamin C, potassium, and beta-carotene. Although sweet potatoes contain more calories than regular potatoes, they have less starch and sugar, preventing the blood sugar spikes that white potatoes can cause. In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of eating a sweet potato daily. Before we begin, please note that all information presented is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Now, let's dive into the 11 benefits of consuming sweet potatoes. Number 1, antioxidant powerhouses. Sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can harm cells and lead to diseases, including cancer. Sweet potatoes are particularly rich in beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant. Beta-carotene gives sweet potatoes their orange color and is vital for overall health. Also known as provitamin A, beta-carotene is a plant pigment found in many multivitamins and dietary supplements. It serves as a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. Vitamin A is also crucial for growth, reproduction, and development during pregnancy. Additionally, beta-carotene may have anti-inflammatory effects, as it reduces the production of hormone-like substances that cause inflammation in the body. Number 2, rich in vitamin C and B vitamins. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, bones, and tissues. It also assists in wound repair, enhances iron absorption, and boosts the immune system. Sweet potatoes are a valuable source of vitamin C, with approximately 28 milligrams per cup when boiled. This amount accounts for around 34% of the daily recommended intake for individuals consuming 2,000 calories per day, regardless of gender. The vitamin C found in sweet potatoes supports the immune system, promotes healthy gums and teeth, and aids in wound healing. Additionally, sweet potatoes provide approximately 20% of your daily requirement for vitamin B6, which assists in mood regulation and maintaining normal brain function. Furthermore, sweet potatoes contain vitamin B5, which contributes to skin health and helps prevent acne breakouts. Number 3, rich in various nutrients. Sweet potatoes contain small but significant amounts of iron, copper, zinc, and manganese, all crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing deficiencies. The white flesh of sweet potatoes is high in starch, which is converted into sugar during digestion. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and provide slow-burning carbohydrates that sustain energy levels without causing spikes in blood sugar. Sweet potatoes are low in fat but high in dietary fiber, making them an excellent option for individuals with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. The abundance of fiber also aids in regulating blood sugar levels, potentially lowering the risk of diabetes. Sweet potatoes offer versatility in preparation methods. They can be baked, boiled, or sautéed with olive oil for enhanced flavor. They are delicious mashed as a side dish or added to soups to thicken them. Furthermore, sweet potatoes can be used in baking, such as in banana bread or pumpkin bread, adding a nutritious twist to these classic recipes. Number 4, promotes gut health. Sweet potatoes foster the proliferation of beneficial bacteria in the gut, aiding in the fight against infections and inflammation. Moreover, they are rich in prebiotics, dietary fibers that nourish the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. Regular consumption of prebiotics has been demonstrated to enhance digestive health, including alleviating constipation and diarrhea. Additionally, sweet potatoes are abundant in resistant starch, another type of fiber that supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria over time. A study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry highlighted the antioxidant properties of sweet potatoes, making them an excellent choice for individuals seeking to reduce their risk of chronic diseases. Number 5, anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes boast a wealth of carotenoids, which possess antioxidant properties. These compounds play a crucial role in shielding against specific cancers, heart disease, and macular degeneration. Research indicates that incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can diminish inflammation due to the anti-inflammatory properties of these carotenoids. Some studies suggest that the carotenoids found in sweet potatoes might offer similar anti-inflammatory benefits to medication, but without the associated side effects. Number 6. Stable blood sugar levels. Apart from their anti-inflammatory properties, sweet potatoes may reduce the risk of diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Despite containing more starch than many other vegetables, sweet potatoes are still classified as low glycemic index foods. This means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels like high glycemic index foods do. A 2008 study discovered that individuals who consumed sweet potatoes instead of white potatoes experienced lower blood sugar levels after meals. This effect persisted even when they consumed high glycemic index foods like bread or pasta afterward. Researchers attribute this to the beta-carotene content in sweet potatoes, which slows down digestion, keeping blood sugar levels stable instead of spiking as they do with white potatoes. Number 7. Supports weight loss. Sweet potatoes are a valuable aid in weight loss due to their low calorie count, high fiber content, and rich nutrient profile. They contribute to a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management. Moreover, sweet potatoes can boost metabolism and potentially reduce cholesterol levels. One of their notable components is resistant starch, which remains undigested and unabsorbed by the body. Instead, it serves as nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. When these bacteria break down resistant starch, they produce short-chain fatty acids that can curb appetite and enhance feelings of fullness, further supporting weight loss efforts. Number 8. Supports healthy vision. Vitamin A, abundant in sweet potatoes, is crucial for maintaining optimal eyesight as it helps fortify the corneal surface, making it more resilient to damage from ultraviolet light. Additionally, it aids in preventing cataracts, a condition where proteins in the lens become opaque due to sun exposure or aging. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin B6, which contributes to maintaining healthy eyes by supporting macular health. Macular degeneration, the primary cause of vision impairment in individuals aged 60 and above, can benefit from the nutrients found in sweet potatoes. Macular degeneration is a gradual process that affects the macula, a region at the rear of the retina responsible for detailed vision. Although the macula constitutes merely 2% of the retina, it houses approximately 30% of its light-sensitive cells. These photoreceptors transmit signals to the brain, enabling us to perceive sharpness, color, and contrast in the objects we observe. As these cells deteriorate with age or disease, our ability to perceive objects sharply diminishes, and we may encounter blind spots in our field of vision. Number 9. Blood pressure regulation. Utilizing sweet potatoes as a means to lower blood pressure is logical, given their rich potassium content. Potassium aids in regulating sodium levels in the body, preventing sodium-induced spikes in blood pressure. Furthermore, sweet potatoes boast beta-carotene, which triggers the release of nitric oxide. This compound facilitates the relaxation and dilation of blood vessels, consequently reducing blood pressure and easing the workload on the heart and vascular system. A study conducted in Japan showcased significant reductions in systolic blood pressure among participants who consumed 100 to 200 grams of boiled sweet potatoes daily over 3 months. Number 10. Potential cancer-fighting qualities. While scientists have acknowledged the anti-inflammatory attributes of sweet potatoes for some time, recent revelations suggest they also possess anti-cancer properties. Researchers speculate that sweet potato extract could serve as a potent treatment for prostate cancer. In a study, an extract derived from sweet potato leaves demonstrated a remarkable 90% inhibition of cancer cell growth in mice afflicted with prostate cancer. Moreover, the extract significantly reduced inflammation by 50% in these mice compared to untreated counterparts with cancer. Number 11. Potential cognitive enhancement. The presence of vitamin A in sweet potatoes has been linked to enhanced cognitive function. Researchers propose that incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet could potentially decrease the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In one study, scientists investigated the impact of sweet potato antioxidants on mice exhibiting symptoms akin to Alzheimer's disease. They observed that the antioxidant properties of sweet potatoes enhanced cognitive function in these mice by mitigating inflammation and oxidative damage to nerve cells. Furthermore, another study indicated that consumption of sweet potatoes led to improved memory among individuals with mild cognitive impairment. Mild cognitive impairment refers to a decline in mental abilities beyond the normal aging process and is often considered an early stage of Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Sweet potatoes offer exceptional nutrition and delightful flavor when baked or roasted. It's advisable to refrain from adding sugar or oil to the cooking process or drizzling sugar on top, as this can introduce unnecessary calories and fat to this already nutritious vegetable. In such cases, it's best to forgo the glaze entirely. Moreover, peeling sweet potatoes should be avoided as their skins are rich in nutrients. Most of the vitamins and minerals are concentrated in the skin, and removing it diminishes the vegetable's nutritional value. Whether boiled, baked, or fried, sweet potatoes are a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed on its own or incorporated into various recipes. For those seeking an excellent source of fiber, sweet potatoes are an ideal choice. They stand out as one of the most versatile and healthy vegetables to incorporate into your diet. Thank you for tuning in to The Life and Health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Your support means the world to us. Together, we're committed to promoting your well-being. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences by commenting below. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way.